Alright guys, day 7 of my continued assault on my face with my Shave Wars review of Gillette's Mach 3 versus the Mach 3 Turbo. For shave number 7, I'm going to start with the Mach 3. And since I prepped my skin correctly, the Mach 3 blade is still providing a smooth, nick-free, grab-free, irritation, and most importantly, cut-free shave. Alright, side 1 is in the books. Let's switch over to the Mach 3 Turbo. With anti-friction coated blades, the Turbo still feels just a bit more superior than the Mach 3. But in any event, either blade works just fine for the average guy. Finish it off with Duke Cannon's Aftershave Balm. Average guy tested, average guy approved. I want to thank you all for watching. I thought this would be a nice change up to the series. I'll see you clowns tomorrow. And as always, keep pushing play. Oh, very smooth. Still as smooth as new, guys.